Hi guys, Mr. Tanner here in the Latin shed, ready to bring you another video all about Latin language. So, our last video was all about the accusative singular and an implied subject. Today we're going to be looking at the accusative plural. But first here's a recap about nominative singulars and nominative plurals. Caecilius amicum videt is Caecilius sees his friend, and Caecilii amicum vident is lots of people called Caecilius see their friend. We've seen the nominative plural endings for all three declensions already. So, now we're going to be thinking about the accusative plural. Here's the accusative singular in action. Remember, it's got that magic M ending. So Caecilius sees his friend amicum rather than amicus. The subject's usually at the start of the sentence, the verb's at the end, and the object is in the middle. How do we say Caecilius sees his friends? Well, we still need the accusative case, but now we need the accusative plural ending. Caecilius amicos videt. The word order hasn't changed. The subject and the verb haven't changed. The stem of amicus hasn't changed. It's only the ending that's different. You'll remember that nouns can be grouped according to patterns, because Latin's a very systematic language. There's 3 declensions in Latin, and there's patterns for the accusative plural, just like there was for the nominative accusative singular and the nominative plural. You'll remember that the first declension is characterised by the a ending, which goes to am in the accusative singular, and I in the nominative plural, and that goes to as in the accusative plural, so it's still got a letter A in it. The second declension, normally ending in us, goes to in the accusative singular, e in the nominative plural, and os in the accusative plural. The third declension are basically all the nouns that don't end in a or us in the nominative singular. In the accusative singular, they go to m, and in the nominative and accusative plural, they go to a's. If we look across all 3 declensions, we can see that the accusative plural always ends in s, whether it's as, os, or a's. Right, now it's time to grab a pen and some paper or whatever you usually use for writing down some notes and some practice examples, and we're going to have a go at sorting some nouns into their declensions based on their endings. So, practice exercise number 1. Put the nouns into the correct declensions and then write the nouns in their nominative singular forms. We're given a little floating cloud of nouns there. You just have to sort them out based on their endings. Pause the video now. Okay, here come your answers then. So, all the ones that end in as go into the first declension. So that's metellas, feminas, and puellas. All the ones that end in os go into the second declension, so caecilios, coquos, and pueros. And all the other ones, the ones ending in a's, go into the third declension. Did you get the nominative of pueros right? And did you get canes, pictores, clementes, and grumiones correct? Massive well done if you got all of those nouns in the right declensions and with their proper nominative singular forms as well. Okay, here's practice exercise number 2. Here's some sentences to translate into English. Remember, look out for where you need to add the or a to make sense. Make sure you get the word order right in English, and watch out for singulars and plurals. Pause the video now. Okay, here come your answers. Ancillae coquos spectant. The slave girls or maids are watching the cooks. Servus cenas coquit. The slave is cooking meals. Third one. The dogs are running through the streets. Canes per vias current. Fourth one. Quoquus mercatores salutat. The cook is greeting the merchants. And fifth one. Matres patres amant. The mothers love the fathers. Okay, I hope you got those right. Hope you spotted the singulars mixed in with the plurals. Here is your nouns table. Copy this table down and learn its contents. It's important. Pause the video again. So, now you know that the object of the sentence, when it's plural, uses the accusative plural. And hopefully you can explain now the pattern of noun endings for nominative singular, accusative singular, nominative plural, and accusative plural. Remember that they all end in S in the accusative plural. Hope that was useful to you guys. See you again soon. Bye for now.